Hi everyone, greetings to you all my people. Welcome to my page. Another story is here. This will shock you. Hey, my people, everybody, the whole world is congratulating Hilda for breaking the record. She won the longest cooking time the whole world. Her name has entered into the Guinness Book of Record, the World Guinness Book of Record. Everybody is happy. Everybody is rejoicing. This lady made Nigeria proud. We all are happy. We all are celebrating her. But this story that I want to tell you will shock you concerning Judy Austin. You know that everybody is celebrating this lady. I want to read out what Judy Austin, how she celebrated this lady and what she wrote. Listen, she said, Hilda broke the world record for longest cooking time. I also broke the record for marrying the most handsome, lovely, easygoing, and blessed man called King Edochie. Congratulations to us. You see this woman, she has problem. She has problem. She knows what she's doing. And it's like she's playing with her life because she doesn't know that there is something called karma. That when the karma come, she'll be running around. Internet will not help her. Nothing will help her. She's happy seeing herself removing another woman from her family. A woman that suffered with a man morning and night. A woman, Queen Edochie, that stood with this man when they had nothing. And this lady, Judy Austin, she's bragging, rejoicing, hailing herself, that she broke the record of a woman that removed another woman. Wonder shall never end. My people, this woman is insane, to be honest with you. But all Young Edochie is the cause of this. Because if your PP, your bola cannot stay one place, your bola will not put you into problem. God gave us power to control our bola. But Young Edochie cannot control his own bola, his own cucumber. That's why anywhere he finds space, he will put it. He found space in Judy Austin's watermelon. That's why he landed his cucumber into that melon. And this is where it landed the family. Wonder shall never end. Sophia was a baba. The world is celebrating this lady. The world is celebrating her. How she made Nigeria proud. And this lady is celebrating herself. How she removed another woman from her marriage and take over the marriage that cheers to her. Wonder shall never end. This woman must be mad. To be honest, let me read it again. Hilda broke the world record for longest cooking time. I also broke the world record for marrying the most handsome, lovely, easygoing, and blessed man called King Edochie. Congratulations to us. Look at her. Look at her. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? Are you seeing Ibiana? Are you seeing? This is what she wrote. Please drop a word for her. Drop a word for her. She doesn't know what she's doing. She doesn't know what she is doing. Please, my people, congratulate this lady for me. Congratulations to her. My people, see you again in my next video. Follow the page if you haven't followed. As it is hot, I'll be giving it to you. Bye for now. Ciao.